Welcome. If you want to check really battery capacity in your Samsung Galaxy A10, at the first you have to go for the Play Store, tap on the search pool and type Ampere. We have to get this application from the Brain Trap, so let's install. Right now let's open. Click yes, I agree, tap close, and then tap OK. Right now when you swipe on the right side, we'll get the capacity of our battery in this place. So there it is. You can also check it by going through the settings, but sometimes there is no correctly data. So when you go for the settings, about phone, and then battery information, as you can see here we got the different value of the battery capacity, but in this place, in this application, we got the real capacity. So that's all. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.